So I'm converting my garage lighting from this to this. Hey, welcome back. So today I'm doing just a little garage project. I've been needing to update the lights in this garage. I really can't do any video recordings at night just because it's so dark in here. So I'm gonna upgrade the garage lighting, and I just wanted to show you guys in case you need to do something similar. So I'm in my garage and we've got some dim lights in here to deal with. This one does make it a bit brighter, but I think we can do a lot better than this to make this a real workspace for the vehicles. I wanted to have the lights come on when I turn on the light switch, just like these lights here. So instead of doing some hardcore electrical work, I'm gonna go the easy route and remove those bulbs and use one of these in its place and just plug it in like a regular light. That way it is switched with the wall switch and I can just turn it on and off like I would a regular light. And yes, there is an outlet already on the ceiling that controls the garage door opener, but it is not controlled by the wall switch, so I can't just turn it off and on. And I think just tapping into this light fixture here would be the easiest way. Now I do realize they do make some of these adapters like this that have the outlet for a light bulb as well. I was just concerned that it was going to stick out way too far beyond the silver ring there and look awkward. But there's going to be plenty of light in here without these lights now, so I think we'll be good. Of course, it's a lot better with these bulbs turned on, but once I have this all wired up around here, I won't even need those bulbs. So I'm using the Barina kit that I ordered from Amazon, and these are the 4-foot LEDs. Comes with various lighting options here if you want to plug it in directly, or if you just want to wire it up with using these pigtails here. A bag of hardware, and of course the LEDs themselves. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, the first light is installed, and already the room is twice as bright as it's ever been in its entire existence. So I've got 10 of these. I'm gonna put 5 on that side attached to that one outlet there, and I'm gonna put the other 5 on this side attached to the other, where the other bulb is. This thing is gonna be lit. All right, I'm making progress. I've got 3 up, and man, it's starting to really look good in here. Now we're making real progress here. I think for this light over here, I'm gonna butt 2 of them together with this little adapter that comes with the kit. That way I'll have an extra long one across here and then run the last one here. So I'm almost done. All right, this is the finished product. The room looks way brighter. I can see so much clearer in here now. Now I just need to tackle this mess and I'll have a working garage. And don't worry about the exposed wires. I've got a kit that will help clean that look up. Just haven't had time to install that yet. That's gonna be my next project. But yeah, man, this thing looks really good. What a difference a little bit of lighting adds to the experience. Man, this is good. So this is just phase 1 of the lighting. I am going to be doing some cable management with the wires that are hanging down. They will be hidden and tucked away. So that's gonna be another side project I'm gonna work on in the near future here. Also, if I'm not gonna have any light bulbs in here at all, then I'm probably just gonna convert this light box to just a standard outlet, kind of like that one here, and just plug directly into the outlet and just let these be my lights now. So yeah, just little projects here and there, but I think it's gonna look really good. So that's it for today's video. If you like this, give me a thumbs up to let me know. And if you want to see more Tesla content, I've got something coming really soon. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and you'll be notified when it comes out. Take care, guys. Bye.